Have a good day, students. Myself, your English sir. You all know that now a precarious condition is going on due to COVID-19. So my first advice, you stay home and stay safe from coronavirus. Okay, today we will read about determiners. Determiners divided into 7 parts. First, the articles. Second, demonstratives. Third, numerals. Fourth, quantifiers. Fifth, possessives. Sixth, distributives. And 7, WH determiners. First, you know about the articles. I have already told you about articles where and when the articles a, n and the will add, will put, will insert. So there are 3 articles, a, n and the. An is called indefinite article and the is called definite articles. A, the article will add before consonant word. For example, a book, a table, a chair, a bench, etc. But before some vowel word, article A also present. How? Like the word which starts from EU, UNI, ONE and UNITE. So these are the some words. Before these words, article A will present. Iron is a useful metal. USE. Useful, before useful, there is USE. So iron is a useful matter. Then my brother is a university student. UNI. Before the word university, UNI, these 3 alphabets is added. Similarly, before vowel word, article N is present. An apple, an orange, an aeroplane, an iron metal, an ox, etc. There are also some words, though there is the beginning alphabet consonant, but due to vowel pronunciation, article A is present there instead of N. For example, our, honor, honors, MLA, MP, LP school, etc. Then the definite article is the water in this pot is muddy. Here the is the definite article. In case of certainty, in case of superlative degree, before superlative degree what we will use the article. Article the will be used there. In case of certainty, For example, the meal prepared by my mother is very tasty. So before meal, the article is present due to certainty case. In this way, from before the nouns, before some nouns, the article also present. The name of religion, the name of lake, the name of epic, the name of musical instruments. There are very simple method. Before the noun, some nouns, article the is present. Then second determiner is demonstratives. Which are called demonstratives? Demonstratives are these, that, these, those. You know, this is the singular and its plural is these. That is the singular and its plural is those. From the beginning, you know very well about these four words. These, those, that, this, these, that, those. This and that can be used before both singular countable and uncountable nouns, while these and those used before plural countable nouns only. This pen writes well, singular countable. That water is not good to drink, uncountable noun. These people are hardworking, and those people are also hardworking, plural countable nouns. Then we come to the third determiners named as numerals. Which are numerals? 1, 2, 3. These are the cardinals numerals. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the ordinals numerals. Cardinals and ordinals can be used in a noun phrase separately or in combination. I met 3 tourists from Japan. This is cardinal. The first girl was intelligent. This is ordinal. So these are also belong to determiners category. Then fourth determiners, quantifiers, many, few, a few, several, much, little, a little. These are the quantifiers, and these are also called determiners. Any, no, some, enough, more, less, both, all, a lot of, a great deal of, are also used both plural countable and uncountable nouns. Many, few, a few, several are used with plural countable nouns only and with plural verbs. Similarly, much, little, a little are used with uncountable nouns only and with singular verbs. So, for example, many people we are present there. How much water is left? There isn't much water left. A few children are playing there. Some birds are flying. More birds have joined them. A lot of people are coming. These are the examples from quantifiers. So this is the fourth determiners. Then we come to fifth determiners, that is possessives. Nominal possessives, pronominal possessives. There are two types of possessive, nominal and pronominal. Rajas, Miras, Ramos, Khans, Mahapatras, Robis, Rinas, these are the nominal possessives. Similarly, pronominal possessives, mine, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are the pronominal possessives. Where are my books? So here my is the possessive. But Resma's brother is my friend. Here Resmas is the nominal possessive and my friend, mine, is the pronominal possessive. Then sixth determiner, distributives. Which are distributives category? Each, every, either, neither. These are the distributives category 1. These are also belong to determiners. Each child got a prize. For example, each child got a prize. Each child, each is the distributive here. Then seventh determiners, the last one, WH determiners. Which, whose, what, when, where, why. These are the WH determiners. I mean to say WH word determiners. All WH word are the WH determiners. What time is he coming here? What is your name? Which pen do you like most? Whose children are crying there? What color is your liking? So these are the examples of WH determiners. So students, there are 7 types of determiners. I have already completed, and it will help you for your correct the error section, which is a very important part of your coming exam, and you must listen again and again, and you try to remember it vividly, and also try to write these 4 types of determiners: how, when, where, and why these determiners are needed. Especially these determiners are needed for your only one grammar, that is correct the error. Okay, thank you. Next class we will discuss another part.